Hi there, this is April Jensen, and I'm a local artist and doll sculptor, and I'm here today to talk to you about another hobby that I love, and that is soap making and making homemade bath supplies. I got into soap making because I just love the feel of the soap. I had a good friend give me a bar one day, and I just fell in love with that. It made my hands feel, and especially since I sculpt so much, and I'm always washing my hands, I need to have something that doesn't dry out my skin and it's very kind to it. And so I learned all about soap making. And it turns out it's incredibly fun to do. You can pick your own colors and ingredients. If you have any sensitivities to something, you can choose ingredients that work best for your skin. You choose the different fragrances. We have these mica powders that we use to color. We do fun things like pour the mica into some melted soap and turn it into these cute little balls that you can then use to decorate and make your soap bars look like little drinks with a cinnamon stick poking out. So they end up being really cute, novel gifts, or any way you want to use it. They look awesome just sitting in your bathroom as well. A lot of people like our oatmeal and honey kind of soap, and I'll show you a cool technique that I have for making this little piece look like honeycomb, and that's actually a piece of soap in there too. So I hope you'll join us. We'll have a lot of fun. We'll talk about soap making as well as making bath bombs, bath salts, and even body butters. So just come and see this class on Curious Mondo, and I think you'll have an enjoyable time.